Hello teacher. In this short video I will show you how to download the scores of your students' performance in an Excel file. So first you click on the name of your class. Second, you click on the download button in the top right corner. You will see this window with three options. The first one is if you want to see the entire selection of units or sections, or if you want to check certain units or sections depending on the course. Oxford Discovery Futures has sections instead of units. So right here, what you have to do is click on each individual section. And then if you want to see either a summary or you want to see the summary together with the scores of individual activities. Okay, let's see. I just want to see the summary. And then the first or last attempt. Then I click on Create Report. And an Excel file is going to be downloaded. I open my Excel file and here we go. You will see, okay, this this is the name of the students, and here you will find, in this case, the summary, okay, of the students' performance for each one of the entire section, vocabulary section, or in the other option, you can also see individuals, activities and scores. Okay, I hope this video is useful and we look forward to your questions.